4 easy investments na malaki ang balik sa iyo. And you won't believe kung sino ang number 1. Number 4, digital banks. GoTime, CBank, and many others have a better return compared to a traditional bank. Number 3, Pag-ibig MP2. With an average of 7% interest every single year, it is surely one of the best investments that you should have. Number 2, REITs. Earn rental income kahit limited lang ang budget mo. Partner mo pa ang mga pinakamalalaking real estate businesses here in the Philippines. Number 1, shares of stocks. Become a shareholder ng Jollibee, Ayala, SM, BDO, and many other big companies here in the Philippines. You could possibly get at least 12% interest every single year, plus makakatanggap ka pa ng dividend from the company. Ikaw kapatid, what is your favorite investment? Comment mo naman sa baba and I will see you on my next video.